I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my eyebrow.
Start off, I'm gonna be using Anastasia brow pomade. I'm gonna brush them and shape them how I want, with just a little bit with the spoon. Then I'm gonna outline how I want my brows. So
Start at the bottom and I do halfway. And do the bottom like that. Excuse those bumps. I don't know where those 2 bumps came from. And I'm gonna do the top. So just so I like have that little shape down. And I'm just gonna start filling in. I'm gonna leave the front alone for now.
in the words making mistakes, you just wipe it off. Or you can clean up concealer at the end. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the front alone, but I'm gonna do a little line and a line at the top. And not as dark as the rest, just to finish like my shape, and then I'm gonna go back to it. And do my shape. Like that. And this brow is always easier than this brow, so I have to do like to make it match. So I'm gonna make my shape again. They're not gonna be identical, so don't stress over them looking exactly alike, because that's hard. Just play with it until you see how you like it. You can always go back with the concealer again, like I said. And I'm gonna fill it in. Kind of look at them. I know this has a humping, so don't. We'll just fix that with concealer. Now I'll do the same thing. This is the last one. So you can see. Make sure they're all filled in good. No gaps. Okay, now I have them as close. They look pretty similar. And I'm gonna do the front. So I'm gonna wipe off some of it and take whatever's excess and kind of blend them together like this. So it kind of fades, and I'll go to the end and go really light over it so the front is not as dark as the back. And see, there's a line here. I'm just gonna make sure to blend that, and it's not a harsh line. So like that, and that's it. And I'm gonna do the same to this side. Start blending out that harsh line. Like that. And you can always take your spoolie to help it blend too. Make sure everything is together. And yes, this one is higher than this one, but I'm gonna fix that with concealer. Okay, now I'm gonna get, this is just Ulta brand. This is some concealers that I use when I do my eyebrows. I'm gonna grab a flat brush like that. Now I'm just gonna carve out my brows. And then I'm gonna drag all of that down. This is gonna look like that. And I'm gonna go over the top. And I'm gonna blend that out. Like that. And then I have my brow. And how I want it. You can always go back and fix anything. Make a line sharper if you want to. Fill in some more if you need to. So like that. I'm gonna blend it out when I finish. And now on this side, I'm trying to make this one match this one a little bit more. Concealer's a lifesaver. So I'm gonna go carve these out. I'm gonna drag that down. And I'm gonna do the top. And I'm gonna go over them a little bit to make them a little bit thinner because this one is a little bit thicker than this one. And that's why concealer is a lifesaver. You just gotta finesse. And I'm gonna follow that, and I kind of use my head to help guide. It's always easier. And like I said, you can go back, fix anything. I think I wanted that just a little bit straighter, so I made it a little bit straighter. Okay, and now I like them, and now I'm going to blend them out with a little concealer brush like this. And most of my brushes is equal tools, and I have some Real Techniques brushes too. I'm gonna blend that out. Get out like this, or if you want to make it sharper, you can just kind of draw your line like that when you're blending it out there. I like this brush because it's small and I can get up close and not mess up my brow. So I'm going to blend this one out now. And pull all this up, blend it out. And like I said, yeah, just take this one, just make it a little bit sharper. So if I hit it, so I'm just going to go over it real quick. Just over the top. And using your hand helps a lot too, to blend out like all of this. Pull out a beauty blender to blend this out as well. And those are my eyebrows. And then I do a few more steps to make them last, you don't have to. I'm just gonna take some setting powder. This is Airspun. Take a little bit of the puff, not too much, and just go over them like this and set them with the powder. And then I'm gonna dust that off. Then I also have a brow gel, and I'll go over it with that. This kind of brings everything together. Like that. I feel like the top is like not as sharp as I wanted, so I'm just go back in with a little bit more product and just fix it. Like that. And you can go over with a face powder. I use Bare Minerals and a Rare Thing to just make this all match your skin tone more. Which looking in the mirror, it matches, but the light is so bright, it kind of looks a little bit lighter. But this is how I do.
My eyebrows, quick and simple and easy.